Have you ever wondered if there's a way to achieve clean, white teeth and fresh breath without relying on chemical-laden products? Imagine this, a single herb that could work wonders for your teeth, keeping them spotless, strong, and naturally healthy. Sounds like magic, right? But here's the twist. What if I told you there's not just one, but two incredible herbs that can completely upgrade your oral health? Stay with me for the next few minutes, and you'll discover two time-tested natural solutions that have been trusted for centuries. These herbs not only clean your teeth, but also help you say goodbye to bad breath for good. Let's dive in. The first herb is the amazing neem. Yes, neem, the ultimate champion for clean teeth and healthy gums. Neem twigs have been used for centuries as natural toothbrushes. Why? Because neem contains powerful antibacterial compounds like azadirachtin and nimbin, which actively fight the bacteria responsible for plaque buildup and gum infections. Here's an interesting thought. While modern toothpaste is often loaded with chemicals, neem works just as effectively, if not better, without harming your oral microbiome. It's nature's way of giving you a bright, healthy smile. Now, how do you use neem in your routine? If you have access to fresh neem twigs, chew on one for a few minutes every morning. This not only cleans your teeth but also massages your gums, improving blood circulation. For a more modern approach, you can switch to neem-based toothpaste or even try neem powder as a natural tooth cleanser. It's gentle, effective, and free of synthetic chemicals. But that's not all neem does. Its antibacterial properties eliminate the bacteria causing bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. So, whether you're worried about plaque, gum health, or just want fresher breath, neem is your go-to herb. Now, let's move on to the second star of today's show, cardamom. Cardamom, this tiny, fragrant seed, packs a punch when it comes to freshening your breath. Cardamom has been used in traditional medicine and culinary practices for centuries. But did you know that it also contains natural compounds that fight odor-causing bacteria? Yes, that warm, slightly spicy aroma isn't just pleasant. It's an active agent working to neutralize bad breath. Here's how cardamom works. It contains cineol, a compound with potent antimicrobial properties, cleanses your mouth. Alternatively, you can brew cardamom tea or use cardamom-infused water as a mouth rinse. And here's an added bonus. Cardamom doesn't just freshen your breath. Its antioxidants also support gum health and help reduce inflammation, making it a wonderful all-rounder for oral hygiene. But wait, there's more to the story. Did you know that combining neem and cardamom can amplify their benefits? Here's an idea. Use neem to clean your teeth and gums in the morning, then chew on a cardamom pod after meals for fresh breath throughout the day. It's a perfect partnership for complete oral care. Is neem safe for everyone? Neem is generally safe for adults when used in moderation. Start with small amounts to ensure it doesn't cause irritation. Can cardamom replace regular mouthwash? While cardamom is a fantastic natural alternative, it's best used alongside a balanced oral care routine. And now, let me share a quick tip for maximizing these herbs' benefits. Use neem-based toothpaste or powder in the morning to kickstart your day with clean teeth. Lastly, here's a word of caution. Not all herbs suit everyone's taste or tolerance. If neem feels too bitter, opt for neem-based products like toothpaste or powders. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Neem and cardamom are easy to find, affordable, and, most importantly, incredibly effective.